Good morning everyone. Today we will discuss chapter number 2 of class 7 NCERT. Okay, and this is the second chapter of geography, and in the second chapter name is Inside Our Earth. Okay, so Earth is the third planet of our solar system, and Earth is also called blue planet. And in this planet, all the living things and non-living things, they survives and interact to each other. Okay, so today we will discuss what are the main components to the interior side of the earth. Okay, so you will also make index of the chapter. Okay, first index, interior of the earth. Okay, इंटीरियर मीन्स पृथ्वी के अंदर का हिस्सा, पृथ्वी के अंदर में जो परतें हैं उनका अध्ययन हम इसके अंतर्गत करेंगे. इंटीरियर ऑफ द अर्थ मीन्स द इंटीरियर लेयर्स ऑफ द अर्थ. ओके, एंड दिस इज इम्पॉर्टेंट for all the rocks and our minerals. Okay, so interior of the earth. First, earth's interior. This is your first index. Earth interior is divided into layers. How many types of the layers? 3 types of the layer. That means our earth interior divides into 3 layers. First one is crust, second one is mantle, and third one is core. Okay, crust, mantle and core. Crust is the upper part of the upper layer. Okay, and which is solid and which located in a asthenosphere layer. Okay, so crust is important. We will also discuss we will also discuss about crust and which types of the chemicals found in the crust. Okay, and second one is the mantle. Okay, and third one is core. So our earth divides into 3 layers. Okay, and the next one is, this is the diagram of our earth interior parts. Okay, and first one is core. Okay, core, this is the core, and core may be divides into two categories. First one is inner core and second one is outer core. Inner cores, which is solid and all the lava and metal located in a inner core. Okay, and this is the outer core. So inner core, outer core, and the next one is, this is your mantle parts. This is your mantle parts. Okay, earth interior divides into 3 categories. First one is core. This is your core parts, and this is your mantle parts, and this layer, this lines, it is called your crust part. Okay, so core, mantle and crust. When you drill to our earth, okay, this is your first crust part, and this is your mantle parts, and this is your core parts. Core parts divide into 2 categories. First one is inner core and second one is outer core, and this one is mantle. Mantle also divides into 2 categories. First one is upper layer mantle, and second one is lower layer mantle. Okay, and this is your crust. Okay, and crust is located in a asthenosphere layer. Asthenosphere layer, which is in plastic condition. Okay, so for this asthenosphere layer, crust moves. Okay, and all the earthquake phenomenon happens due to this asthenosphere layer. Okay, so the most important parts, earth divides into 3 layers. First one is core, second one is mantle, and third one is crust. Okay, we will discuss one by one. First we will discuss about core. What is core? Okay, this is your next diagrams, in which this is inner core. When you drill our earth, and this is the inner part of the earth, this is called inner core, and outer core, and this is one is mantle, and this one is your crust. Okay, this is your crust part. Okay, so inner core, outer core, mantle and crust. Okay, this is also called Sial, SiAl, silicon and aluminum. These parts in a crust part present Sial chemical, silicon and aluminum, and this is your Sial Sima, Sima, silicon and magnesium, and in this layer present Nife, nickel and ferrous. Okay, Sial, Sima, Nife, Sial, Sima, Nife. In this part Sial, silicon and aluminum found, and in this part Sima, silicon and magnesium found, and this part Nife, nickel and ferrous found. Okay, so this is the important diagram. So next we will discuss the core, about core. Okay, so you know core is the innermost layer of the earth. So this is important point. Core is the innermost layer of the earth. Okay, and this is not important, and this is important. The temperature range of core is very high, around 200 or 2000 degrees Celsius to 5000 degrees Celsius. Okay, and core may be divided into two parts. First one is inner core and second one is outer core. Okay, so this is important. And in a core, this is a core parts, outer core and inner core, and in these core parts two chemicals important found. First one is nickel and second one is ferrous. Iron means ferrous, and this one is nickel and iron chemical found in these core parts. Okay, so this is important. Okay, so in our next class we will discuss about mantle. Okay, and your homework, you will write about core, 2 to 3 lines. You will write about core, what is core. Okay, and which chemical found in a core. Okay, so thank you to all of you.